I hate Leetcode, and so does pretty much everyone. But why is that? You see, Leetcode is actually an amazing platform. You can solve thousands of problems, learn data structures, algorithms, and it's basically the gym for your brain. And I truly believe Leetcode is the GOAT. The problem is how it's being used. Over time, it has become an obsession for companies. Every tech interview, no matter the position, somehow turns into a Leetcode marathon. Like, you don't know how to invert a binary tree? Oh, sorry, we'll contact you. Bro, I'm applying for a front-end position. The only tree I deal with is the DOM. And that's the issue. It's being abused. Leetcode is used in places where it literally doesn't make sense. Nobody's saying problem solving isn't important. It's a really cool skill, and honestly, I wish I was better at it. But it's straight up dumb to evaluate a junior web dev who's gonna change button colors or fix CSS bugs by making him solve 3 problems with a 5% acceptance rate on Leetcode. And you've probably seen this. A ton of developers start grinding Leetcode before interviews. Hours a day, months, they finally get the job and then never touch it again. Why? Because you don't need it in your day-to-day work. It's completely useless. You don't suddenly start using dynamic programming at your daily job. You're not using breadth-first search to fetch data from an API. And I don't think that when your manager asks for a new feature, you're gonna open Leetcode to solve some problems and get inspiration. Like, I've implemented breadth-first search maybe once in my career, and even then I could just Google it. So yeah, that's why developers hate Leetcode. Not because it's bad, but because companies made it something it was never meant to be.